Looking to save on auto gear and accessories from Sears? You've come to the right place. On the Offers.com Sears Auto coupon codes and sales page, you can find great deals for your next automobile purchase. It's easy to apply a coupon or coupon code to a purchase on Sears.com. Simply find the offer that best matches what you're looking for, click on the Savings button, and a pop-up will appear. Your savings may be automatically applied at checkout, or you will be provided with the coupon code needed to save. To copy your coupon code over to the site, simply click the Copy button, add your items to your cart, head to checkout, and then look for the Coupon Codes box and paste in the code, and then see your savings. It's quick, easy, and you just saved money. And remember, all the offers are verified, rated, and updated daily by our awesome Offers.com team, so you never have to worry about them not working when you go to make a purchase. Save money every time you shop online with the best deals, coupons, and sales from Offers.com.